Tired of a cluttered iPhone? Let's transform your device into an organizational masterpiece, step by step. First, let's tackle organizing your documents and files. Pull down from the middle of your iPhone screen to activate the search bar now. Tap the search bar and type Files. Tap on the Files app to open it. Once inside, you'll see various locations like on My iPhone or iCloud Drive. Navigate to the location where you want to create your new folder. For this demonstration, we'll use On My iPhone. At the top, tap the Browse button, then locate the options. At the top of the screen, you'll see a small folder icon with a plus sign next to it. Tap that icon. A prompt will appear, allowing you to name your new folder. Type in a descriptive name for your files, like work documents or photos. After naming your folder, tap the Done button. Congratulations, you've just created a new folder for your files. Now, let's learn how to organize your apps on the go. Go back to your iPhone's home screen. Find an app you want to group. Press and hold down on that app icon until it starts to jiggle. While the app is jiggling, drag it over another app you want to group it with. As you drag, a new folder will automatically appear, containing both apps. You can then drag more apps into this new folder to further organize your home screen. Tap on the folder to rename it to something more specific, like social media or games. And there you have it, 2 easy ways to keep your iPhone tidy and your digital life in perfect order. Time to conquer that clutter.